Okay, Jared, what's the fun animal fact of the day?
I don't know. It's my Monday. I don't have any. I'm sorry.
What is a good animal fact about Jared?
Oh, about Jared. I think he socializes with good company.
R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. Boom, boom, boom. C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song.
Because I happen to know other people in your life that think you're a great person.
I don't even know what to
You're
say.
a great person, Jerry.
Wow.
You're a great
Blushing
person.
here. Jeez.
Did you get animal fact though?
Honey badgers defend themselves by ripping testicles off other animals.
Alright, we're going to Adventure Outpost. Mainly to meet Chris, but you know, Minnie and Mickey just happen to be there. This is Chris, and then this is me creeping around that door over right there because I'm gonna see him. We no longer see Chris. We think he just went on break. Excellent. Oh, Christopher.
Hi there.
Are you supposed to be on your break right now? Can we drag you out of your break?
Maybe.
You're only working 10 hours today.
I know,
right?
I've only been in this room for 4 hours. It's okay. Don't worry about it.
What's over here?
These are some of the different places that Mickey and Minnie are going to be going on their vacation.
I don't see like a sketchy Kevin adventure on here though.
No,
There's no flea
thank goodness,
market.
in fact.
There's no Gatorland.
We're gonna I talked to Mickey and Minnie, and we're gonna try to condense this all into one day. And plus, we're going to visit Asia, the US, and also a planet 4.4 light years away. But they found a little bit of extra time actually all in there and decided to meet some people. Mickey and Minnie are on a date today.
Jared is now, there he is. Here's little Jerry. Welcome to the magic.
Hey.
Okay, so Matt, we got a question. How's Chris doing today?
He's great. He takes all his breaks on time until his friends show up.
Minnie and Mickey, I love the new facelift. I love the new facelift that you have. How is he doing today? Is he doing okay? All right. How could Chris improve?
He's ready to some pretzels.
I need some
hair?
gel for my hair, maybe. Better?
He could bring snacks.
So Minnie, Jared has a question. He really loves your scarf. Where can he get one?
Oh my god.
I know.
You did it yourself? What? Oh my gosh.
Mickey, are you losing weight? You gotta tighten your belt. That's what's going. You gotta eat more churros. That's what you gotta do. So, yeah, some more Mickey pretzels and churros.
Mickey is eating my shirt. He's eating himself on my shirt.
He's cannibalizing himself right now. I don't know how I feel about that.
Oh my gosh.
Minnie says, you gotta stop that. You can't do this anymore. You can't be eating your own merchandise.
All right, Chris, have fun on break. Enjoy your last minute. You're freshening up for the camera right now? You look wonderful. You look wonderful. All right, so I gotta have a talk with you. So over at Disneyland, my boy Heimlich.
It's my boy Heimlich!
He's getting his whole ride removed, and we're all upset about that. I'm not, and I heard you're heading off to some other place very soon, and I know it's sad. I don't know what's gonna happen over here. Oh, you're gonna cry? Oh, I'm sorry there, buddy. You made me have the most uncomfortable bathroom experience of my entire life. Now, in a little lunch pail in Disneyland, you talk to me while I'm going to the bathroom.
This is what the humans call a bathroom. Now they don't really use it to take a bath, so I don't know why they call it a bathroom. I mean, I didn't put a bathtub in here, but maybe I should have put a tub in. I mean, how dirty do these people get?
Really dirty.
It was very strange, very odd. You know, I've done Moni Myrtle talking to me in Universal, but with you talking, it was a little weird. Because I didn't know where you were.
What did the one nut chasing the other nut say?
What?
I'm a cashew. Welcome to Animal Kingdom, everyone. It's raining right now. And we're gonna have a great day, though.
What are you people doing over there? Just come inside.
Run to us! Run to
Run, Gerald, run!
Run, Gerald!
This lady has been riding out the storm for a good like 10 minutes now. The problem with filming videos this time of year is it rains every day, and you can't really do everything you planned because everything shuts down when it rains.
Not the safari. Safari's open. Best time to go on safaris in the rain.
Jared, nature fact on that bird.
It is an egret.
Like from Game of Thrones?
Is it the redhead girl?
Yeah.
R.I.P.
No
Spoiled it.
You know what? If you haven't reached it that far, then...
Oh, look at you, Timon! Welcome back. The rain has stopped, especially just for you. Where's Pumbaa? Oh, he's downwind. Have you eaten anything slimy yet satisfying today? Anything? Thank you. Oh, God. Oh, no, that's not good. Timon, that is not good at all. I don't like it. I am a little crazy like you. Let me fix your hair for you. It's looking a little, oh, a little mohawk.
Gotta grind up. Yeah, gotta grind up some bones.
Oh God. Is there any way you could teach Jared the hula dance? I know you can do the hula. 2, 3. Jerry, what's going on?
They pruned that tree and it looks terrible.
What's the
I don't
proper
know, it just-
pruning procedure?
I'm not saying that they did a bad job, it just looks strange.
What does the red thing mean?
So like the red tie around the tree is when it's because the illegal loggers, they like do a walkthrough of like the forest, and then they tie like markings around which trees that they're gonna cut down. That one is marked to be cut down. Now they changed it, like in the Wilderness Explorer books, they actually changed it to where that one is supposed to be saved.
Jared, what is this painting supposed to be up there?
So on this entire bus, there's different paintings of like different things around Animal Kingdom, but this one right here, I can't remember like if it was the same Imagineer that like worked on Splash Mountain or not, but this is supposed to be Splash Mountain right here. So like the waterfall, and then that's Brer Rabbit sitting up there.
We're gonna get something to eat at a restaurant. Oh, sorry. What is it, Jerry?
I don't know. It's supposedly a brownie, but
That is the gnarliest brownie I have ever seen.
when you shine the light on it, it makes it so much worse.
See, it's like, okay, that's not that bad, and then bam! So it looks like a petri dish of like, oh, the sludge. The sludge. Guys, look at that.
Oh, it's dripping! It's dripping!
Oh! I'm doing the official food review just for you. What the f is this?
Is it not flourless chocolate cake?
My favorite dessert, the flourless chocolate cake. Oh, it is so good. It's just warm on the inside. I love this whole cake so much. That is not my flourless chocolate cake from... I'm gonna strongly say don't buy the brownie here at Restaurantosaurus. So, we're gonna do the official review of the Primeval Hurl caramel brownie that I just ate. It was definitely one of the worst things I think I've ever eaten here at Disney. It was Patrick, how's your first time on Primeval Hurl?
Not a fan so far.
Not a fan so far! How was your first time on Primeval World?
It was awful.
All right, are you ready to get a good picture? Okay.
Oh, I can't get a picture.